Jersey's dramatic coastline and varied terrain mean that people can find themselves in danger. That's where the Air Rescue Emergency Drone Team, funded by Impact Jersey, comes in. Drones can search vast areas quickly and efficiently, providing crucial real-time information to the emergency services. This means faster response times, increased chances of survival, and ultimately more lives saved.
And immediately blown away by what they could do and the sort of the scope of search capability it gave us. With my search last year, going back to the UK, I went and did my search advisor course with the College of Policing, and we covered a lot of drone stuff, and they say that whilst it won't replace boots on the ground, it is very much changing. The UK are starting to use drones for a lot more of the open areas. Big benefit for us is the access to technology and to the level of detail and accuracy that they can get with the drones. We haven't got any other equipment like this. So it's an instant feed that we're getting back. So it's not having to wait for memory cards to be taken back or officers to relay. It's literally we can see what they're seeing, and with instant effect we can direct them into a certain area if there was a concern or there was an area that we need to send someone to. The live feed capability is hugely beneficial. From a police search point, we are working forward with Phil Andrew onto gridding up certain parts of the island with the intention that eventually we'll have the entire island gridded so that we can then deploy them out as a search asset, and they can feed back, and then we've got the accurate records which are then kept for the end of for debrief, etc. Absolutely proved itself worthwhile. It's only going to improve and go forward leaps and bounds. It just gives us a much better degree of accuracy for deployment.